Problem number 1. Dan's age, D, is also the sum of the ages of his 3 children. His age n years ago was twice the sum of their ages then. What is D over n? Alright, so we're looking for this ratio, D over n. Okay? And we have a couple of variables already defined. We have D, which is Dan's age, and we have n, which is the number of years ago when their ages were, or Dan's age was twice the sum of the ages of his kids. So I'm actually going to define a couple more, actually 3 more, because there's 3 kids. So I'm going to say A, B, and C are the ages of the 3 children. Okay. And then I can say right off the bat, Dan's age is the sum of those 3 children's ages, so that's just D is equal to A plus B plus C. Alright? So that's that first sentence translated into an equation. Now let's look at the second sentence and translate that sentence into an equation. So it says his age n years ago. So what was his age n years ago? If we wanted to know his age n years ago, we would just take his age now and subtract n, right? And then we're told that his age n years ago was twice the sum of their ages then. Okay, so it's twice the sum of their ages, but it's not their ages now. This is the ages now. This is now. Their ages n years ago were A minus n, and we're going to add these. So B minus n and C minus n. Alright. So let's do a little manipulation here, because there's a lot of things I can combine. I see lots of n's that I can combine with this n over here. So first thing I'm going to do is use the distributive property and just distribute this 2 over to everything inside the parentheses. Okay, so this is equal to 2a minus 2n plus 2b minus 2n plus 2c minus 2n. And if we combine like terms, I see a negative 2n, negative 2n, negative 2n, so we have negative 6n. So we have 2a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to, I want to say minus 6n. Right? So minus 6n, and that's equal to, again, d minus n. And then I'm also seeing here, I got a common factor of 2 in these 3 terms. So I'm actually going to factor that out. I know I just distributed, but now I'm going to factor it out because I see a substitution I could make. Because I already know A plus B plus C is equal to D, right? So I can actually, let's finish writing this out here. I can actually make a substitution. I see A plus B plus C, I know that's D, and then I can get rid of all the kids' ages, and I'm just working then with D and N. So I can say 2D minus 6N, and then that's equal to D minus N. So let's combine like terms. I'm going to, let's say, well, let's see. I want to make these positive. So I'm going to add 6n to both sides, right? And I actually want to subtract d from both sides. All right. And then what do we get? I'm going to actually write it over here. So d minus d is 0. So negative n plus 6n, that's 5n. So that's all I have on the left side. And 2d minus d is d. And 6n minus 6n, that's 0. So this is what I have once I combine all the like terms, and we're asked for d over n. So if I just divide both sides by n, I'll have d over n. N over n is just 1. And so then d over n is equal to 5. So the ratio of Dan's current age, to the number of years ago when their ages were, his age was twice the sum of his kids' ages, is equal to 5. So, there you go. There's your answer.